Hi all, and welcome to the First Year Toolkit's help channel on YouTube. The First Year Toolkit is a suite of tools that we built to provide a free resource for skill practice and development during and hopefully beyond the first year of aural skills and music theory classes. On this channel, you'll find a growing collection of walkthrough videos that guide you through the process of using the toolkit for a variety of skill development exercises. This video is going to focus on setting up the toolkit. So the toolkit runs inside of Max, which is available as a free download from Cycling74. You can find a link in this video's description. Max is a 30-day trial during which you can create and save your own patches and tools, but you can run already existing products like this toolkit for free indefinitely. Once you've installed Max, you'll also need to install the Bach package, which runs inside of Max. Bach lets us use a more powerful set of notation tools than come with Max by default, and so we definitely need those in the toolkit. To install Bach, just choose to show the package manager in Max's file menu. Scroll down to Bach once that's opened, and click that, and then choose the install option. You'll see here I've already got it installed, so I don't have that option appearing. But if you ever need to update Bach to a new version, you would do that here as well. Next, we need to download and unzip the toolkit. Again, there's a link to a Google Drive folder in the description for this video. Windows users, this next part is really important. We need to extract the files from the zip archive. In Mac OS, you can do that just by double-clicking the toolkit file that you downloaded from Google Drive, and it will open it up and give you that folder. On the Windows side, it's actually possible to run the toolkit while it's still inside the zip archive, but this is actually a very bad idea. So what you need to do is find the file you downloaded, right-click it, and then choose Extract All. This will ask you for a location where you want to extract it. Choose that, hit OK. It'll extract it, and then once that's done, you'll see the folder that you've extracted. Once you extract the First Year Toolkit folder in either operating system, you can put this folder wherever is handy. To launch the toolkit, just open the First Year Toolkit folder and double-click the toolkit file. You may note that there are a couple of other folders there. Please don't move or delete those. Those are important. If Max isn't already open when you double-click that file, it's probably going to take a little time for the toolkit to open the first time. It's a pretty versatile app, but it's not super speedy at opening. We are sorry about that. But once it does open, the first thing that will happen is that you'll be prompted to enter your name. We will need this for when you take skill tests, so please don't enter something random or try to skip the process of putting in your name. If you ever need to change your name, just click the name field in either the skill practice or skill testing apps. We're going to talk about navigation and using the different tools in the toolkit in other videos. So for now, thanks for watching. Happy practicing, and let me know if you have any questions or problems with the toolkit. Thanks.